How to import Google account in contacts in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then here you can see the option contacts. Now click on contacts and then click on contacts account. And if you want to import your Google account, then simply click on add account and then click on Google. After clicking on Google, then open a Google browser page and there you enter your email number or password. Then after enter your email and password, then it will add your Google account in your contacts. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.